Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're already in Shopify. Go straight to online store, then pages, products, or collections. Open the item you want to rename and scroll to the search engine listing preview. You need to edit the URL and handle field. This controls the final slug users see. Once done, copy the old URL so you can set redirects. Make sure to save a quick note of the prior handle for redirects and verification before moving on to the next steps. You change the handle directly in the search engine listing preview. Pick a short, descriptive slug with hyphens and lowercase to aid SEO. After saving, search your theme menus, navigation, and any hard-coded links in theme files or apps for the old slug and replace them. Once updated, open an incognito window and load the new URL to confirm the page resolves. This catches caching or propagation issues quickly. If you use apps that generate links, update their settings too. Create a 301 redirect in online store navigation by entering the old path and the new path. This preserves SEO and prevents 404s. Once the redirect is saved, test it in a browser and confirm search engines receive the 301 status. Also submit or refresh your sitemap in Search Console if you use it. If something breaks, clear your Shopify and browser caches, resave the page and theme, and recheck any third-party apps that might still reference the old URL. That usually resolves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.